Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Coming in this nice green coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.6-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get recovery hooks, tow hitch, we got that nice full-size spare tire, got a window wiper as well, we got high fender flares, a nice hardtop that matches the outside coloring, got some grip steps, got your nice mirrors that are also heated, got the logos on the side which adds a nice clean touch to the vehicle, the fender flares on the front, you do get some lights, tow hooks, and that nice Jeep grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. We do get some nice carpeted interior. You got the Jeep logo. This does flip up as well. So you can put all your door hinges, locks, roof locks, all that jazz, jack storage, all that jazz. So when you take off your roof and doors, you have a place to put your bolts. Got a little radio system here, or stereo system, 12 volt, and you can fold this last row down for extra storage. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. You got a cargo net, got a little grab handle so you can get into the vehicle easier. You got some zone lighting, nice little windows. You got a little hook there, and cup holders, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a manual driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there with the Sahara logo stitched in on the seat. You even get an even bigger grab handle as well. You got vents, an Alpine sound system, which is all pretty nice. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at, well, you can go for your trip A, trip B. There's the odometer. You have 119,953 kilometers. We do get this leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen. It's right there. That's your cruise control. You got your menu, compass, voice, phone, modes, and volumes behind the steering wheel with the Jeep logo. You do get your auto locks, driver, sound horn, all that jazz. We're going to go to the menu again where you have your temperature and compass. We do get your digital speedometer as well that you can set up. Average fuel economy, distance to empty, all that jazz, tire pressure. We got our gear select, cup holders, parking brake, 150 volt outlet, four-wheel drive with another little cargo net, windows, heated front seats, traction, hill, hazards. You can turn your outlet on or off, 12 volt. Your climate controls are just right here with your center console with upper and lower storage with another 12 volt down there. We got our vents here. You got your locking windows, windows that you can put up or down, obviously, but you have auto. Nice little grab handle here. You got grab handles there as well as on the driver's side. And looking here, you do get your audio, which has AM, FM, and satellite radio. Got your phone, radio, media, because you do get Bluetooth as well, Sirius XM, menu, auxiliary switch, or not switch, for your aux, storage on the dash, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8039, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.